Hello everyone, welcome to Collaboration Coach. This time I've got some tips for you on how to use SharePoint document libraries. This video is taken from our SharePoint Champion course. We've just added a new section all about document libraries, and I thought we could share one of the lessons from it. SharePoint Champion is a deep dive course into how to use SharePoint, and if you want more detail, then hit the link in the top corner now, and I'll share some more links and info in the description. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel. Here comes a lesson. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that not everyone knows about and will help you when you're working with document libraries and set you apart from everyone else as a true SharePoint champion. These are the tips I'm going to show you. Expanding content, editing the new button and adding a template, conditional formatting on your columns, searching for column metadata, renaming and adding to navigation, and deleting and restoring your library. So let's get into it. Here's an easy one to start with. Expanding content just means removing the navigation from your view when you're working with a library. This is really useful for screens with low resolutions where you don't have a lot of space or you just want a cleaner place to work in. Just go to this arrow and toggle it on to remove the navigation and hit it again to bring it back. Did you know you can change what options you have on the new button? This is really useful if you want to simplify the menu or control what can be added to your library. Just drop the new menu down and choose Edit New Menu. Then uncheck the items that you want to remove from the panel on the right. Then choose Save. You can easily add new templates to your library and add them to the new menu too. If you have a file with formatting and content already, like this PowerPoint slide deck I've got here, you can add that to the new menu for everyone to use. Just drop the new menu down and choose Add Template and then browse for the file. Select the file, my one here is called Collaboration Coach, and then choose Open. Now, every time you drop down the new menu from then on, the template is there for everyone to use. You can add conditional formatting to a column to highlight important information in your library. Just go to the column that you want to add the formatting to, choose the drop down from the title and then Column Settings, and then format this column. You'll see the conditional formatting panel open on the right, and you can add a rule that changes the column to a different color if the rule is met. For example, I'm going to edit this rule and set it to highlight the name column in green whenever the status column is equal to Customer Ready. You can see now that all the documents that have that status are now highlighted in green. And when I change the status, the color is removed. Did you know that you can search for documents based on column metadata? This is really handy if you're looking for documents with specific properties. For example, in this library, there is a status column, and one of the choices is Customer Ready. I can type Customer Ready into the search box here, and it will return all the documents with that in the status column. You can rename a library, but it's hidden away in the library settings page. To rename a library, just go to the settings wheel at the top here and choose Library Settings. Then choose List Name, Description and Navigation. And from here you can change the name. You can also choose whether the library is available as a link from the site navigation, which is the menu on the left-hand side. In the navigation section, choose either Yes to add it or No to remove it, and then choose Save. And finally, you can delete your library from the library settings page too. Just go to the settings wheel, choose Library Settings, and then choose Delete this document library. This will prompt you to make sure it's okay, and then it will delete it. If you want to bring it back, you can just go to the recycle bin and restore it. To do that, go to the settings wheel and choose Site Contents. Then hit the recycle button in the top right here. Select the library and choose Restore. So there you have 7 pro tips to help you work with document libraries and impress your friends.